How to unblock block WhatsApp account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to download WhatsApp application. Now if you simply want to unblock your WhatsApp account which has been blocked, click on the three lines at the top left corner. Go to settings, then after go to account. Here in account settings, go to delete this account. Now, your WhatsApp account has been blocked because you have received the report of as a spam in WhatsApp. So as to solve that problem, you can either click on the option of change number. After that, you can enter your number and delete the current WhatsApp number account. So that's it. That is the only method to unblock your WhatsApp blocked account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.